Hello everyone, welcome to Football Updates. Friends, what a week we had in Euros. We saw some expected and some shocking results. And now round of 16 is finally over. Here are the 8 teams that qualified for the quarter-finals of Euro 2020. Tell us in the comment section who's gonna win this year. Now please subscribe and hit like button because we are getting started. According to Fabrizio Romano, Cristiano Ronaldo will not negotiate a new contract with Juventus, and the club are now waiting for Ronaldo and his agent to decide if he will leave this summer or not. According to Christian Folk, Manchester United are interested in signing Leon Goretzka if Paul Pogba leaves. Berardi could leave Sassuolo this summer. Premier League teams have shown interest in him. AC Milan and Lazio are also interested. Southampton and Leicester are both willing to meet Benfica's €15 million asking price for 21-year-old fullback Nuno Tavares. Italian side Napoli have recently had a €10 million plus Mario Rui player offer rejected. Jamaica want Mason Greenwood to switch nationalities and help them reach the World Cup next year. Mason qualifies for Jamaica through his parents and could still switch countries despite featuring in a UEFA Nations League game, as players can change if they are under 21 years old and have played no more than 3 competitive games. Benzema first goal was incredible. Pogba third goal was top, but then they had a little bit of fun. I think Deschamps made a mistake. When you take out one of your best players who was playing amazing in Griezmann, when there is risk of extra time, it is a big gamble. Jose Mourinho on France defeat. It's a big disappointment for all of us. The belief in this team was absolutely there. But in games like this, it's crucial to consistently take advantage of the few chances you have. When things like Thomas Muller's chance happen, you just have to accept it. He normally scores in a situation like that. Today we needed that goal, but I can't blame anyone. I believe that some of our players will still develop. We have a lot of young players. They will learn from this. At the European Championships in 2024 at home, some will be at an absolute top level. You can expect quite a bit there, said Joachim Low. Netherlands have confirmed Frank de Boer has stepped down immediately as coach of the Dutch national team. That was a huge opportunity for us. We missed it, and that's why the disappointment is huge. It was a very sad feeling when I saw Joachim now. He is a great person. We all owe him a lot. That it's coming to an end like this is a shame and very, said German captain Manuel Neuer. Barcelona are in talks with Samuel Umtiti to loan him out. Olympique de Marseille could become the defender's destination. Clearly I am in his head a lot, and he thinks about me a lot. He continuously talks about me, which I find quite strange. He just needs to move on, said Luke Shaw on Jose Mourinho. AC Milan, Arsenal and Roma are all interested in signing Sabitzer, who has a contract expiring in June 2022 and will not renew as he wishes to try a new experience. Despite several reports released in recent weeks stating that the Austria international could leave for €17 million, he will not depart for a fee so low, though he will go for a figure lower than the €50 million. We knew we needed to put a big performance in against a very good side, and I think we did that today. We knew the intensity that we can play at, not a lot of teams can deal with it. The 2 boys in midfield were class, they were just animals in there, said Raheem Sterling. Manchester City captain Fernandinho has signed a new 1-year contract until 2022. Now let's move towards the main news. Raheem Sterling and Harry Kane's goals secure England's place in the quarterfinals. Sterling found the opening goal in the second half as he touched past Neuer. Kane then sealed a 2-0 win for England as Germany are knocked out of Euro 2020. A huge, confidence-boosting victory for England at the Wembley. Ukraine beat Sweden 2-1 to advance to the quarterfinals of a European Championship for the first time in their history. Sweden went down to 10 men after Danielsson was shown a red card after a VAR review. And then Artem Dovbyk headed in Ukraine's winner in the 121st minute to spark massive frenzy among the players and the fans. Round of 16 is finally over, and here are the 8 teams who qualifies and will play in the quarter-finals of Euro 2020. So guys, tells us your favorite team in comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Please hit the like button and subscribe the channel for daily football updates.